so many hearts.
Okay, pwede ba nato sugan ang atong celebration with a big, big round of applause?
Yeah!
Yan. And of course, partner, para mas ma-energize pa nga to ang mga bisita, and I request somebody, I mean like everybody of you to please stand. And
Okay,
then,
everybody! Ating galaw-galaw ang ating mga katawan.
sundog lang mo sa ako ha, ay mo kagoon. Sayar taog hawak mo ang beat. Hoy, Kuya Juan. Okay, music please.
Really, tamahan na siya.
Yes.
Nakabatch ni Antonilda.
Okay, everybody. Sige. Papainit ang gamay ng aking mga katawan. Everybody, go! Eh! Sige, sayaw ka lang, sayaw!
Igalaw-galaw na yan.
Budikat.
4! Yes! Alam ko ba mga sayaw? Sige rin, ano ako sa inyo nga. And! One more time!
Exercise.
And! Ayan! Give yourself a big, big round of applause. Back.
Thank you so much sa ating mga young at hearts. No? So, dapat din dyan magpaluya-luya. Para dugay ta, mga kakuha na itong mga tuhod.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as we begin this joyful gathering, partner, of course, let us first seek God's guidance and blessings upon our celebration. To lead us in the invocation, we will respectfully call on Ma'am Ninita Siculon. Okay, please settle down.
Please take your seats. Thank you, Sister Ninita Siculon, for that inspiring prayer.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the family, we want to welcome everyone to the 70th birthday celebration of Mrs. Nelda C. Ating. And I know for sure, ladies and gentlemen, that your presence today makes this celebration even more meaningful and memorable. So
Yes, partner. As we begin this joyful gathering, let us first seek. Ladies and gentlemen, this moment is one we have all been waiting for. Let us welcome the woman of the hour, a loving wife, mother, grandmother, sister, relative, friend, and inspiration to many.
ang pangutana. Excited na ba ang tanan na makita ang ato ang celebrant?
Excited
na
na
ba? Paligid naman ang isang palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan!
Thank you sa inyong
Ay,
ama.
wala pa.
Pagpa.
Naandamiyag na si Auntie Nilda, no? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, as she makes her way to the center of the celebration, let us all stand. May I request everybody to please stand?
Stand.
And let us give a warmest round of applause to our beloved celebrant, Mrs. Nelda C. Ating! Yay! Alam, pasok yung ting! Sayaw! Alam! Yay! Okay. Abot. Ayan.
Birthday celebrant. Beautiful.
Indra, kaway ko sa ilahati para makita ang kanya sa 70th birthday. Okay. Yan po. Ayan.
Again, another round of applause to our birthday celebrant.
Pero na ako, mamutala sa ko dali partner. Mamutala ko og random guests dali as to dali ko. Mamutala ko ka ko if tinuod ba yun karon ang birthday ni auntie? Ay, kamalon yun siya. So, kanus ang yun ang tinuod ng birthday ni auntie? Wow! So, gahapon na yun actually ang birthday ni auntie. You got it right! So, palakpakan po natin si Princess, no?
Thank you.
Pero partner, I know for sure that Ate Nilda is actually one of those people na daghan kay mga friends.
Yes.
So that is why i-celebrate niya karon. Kay karon is
Holiday. Holiday. So, para makaanhi ang tanang mga beloved, loved ones si Auntie Nilda, managitulong dyan karon na day.
Can we give another big round of applause for Ate Nilda, our very own celebrant? And now, ladies and gentlemen, we all know, no? Kung nakita nato si Ate Nilda karon, no, yung anak kaaniyang, excited ba po mo nga makita ang iyahang hinigugma, no? Once again, we all know that flowers symbolize love,
Appreciation, admiration, and gratitude.
to present this special bouquet to our celebrant, may we call on her loving husband, Mr. Julieto Atin.
Palakpakan naman dyan sa ating guwapo na husband ni Auntie Nilda.
And of course, partner will be having their dance. Ayan.
Parang nasa prom lang, partner.
Picture muna. Of course, kung hilig si Auntie of Sayaw,
Yeah.
sayawan po siya ni Uncle, no? You may now have your dance, Ate Nels.
Ato palakpakan na beloved couple, Mrs. Nilda Atig and Mr. Julieto Atig.
Yes, inyuhan yun yung panahon. Correct, no?
Alright, pero naapay missing. Wala bang halik dyan?
Ay, sana all.
Ating couple.
Correct.
Diba? Okay.
Sana all. Nag-18th birthday si Auntie, o niya, si Kuya Julito, ang usang sa mga 18 roses. Pagkalabli, no?
Yes. Pagkasweet ha.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so much.
Uncle Julieto.
Yes, for the beautiful gesture of love and appreciation. Indeed, after many years of marriage, your love continues to bloom just like the flowers you have presented today. Okay, once again, ito palakpakan ang atong couple of si Auntie Nilda.
Correct. Kay partner, sa tinun-anay lang, dilig yun mas musamot kay kung ato kagwapa si Auntie kung walay pagpangga.
Yes,
Okay,
correct ka dyan. Pag-facture na lang.
Mura siya o ka na bitaw na ng bildong na please handle me with care.
Yes,
Sana
of
all.
course. Saksi kita.
Correct.
Bukma ang pag-ampi.
Okay. Okay ba mga kanan? Okay. Pakpak na kung okay. Pakpak. Very good. But I know for sure that